In this section, we'll walk through the steps to install Nmap on different operating systems and configure it for optimal use. So Nmap, short for Network Mapper, is an open source tool used for network discovery and security auditing. So to get started, let's download Nmap from the official website. Just go to nmap.org, and here you can find version for Windows. Okay, just go to this download tab and you can see the latest version for Windows operating system, Mac and Linux, or any other OS. Okay, so if you want to download it for Windows operating system, just click on Windows installer link, and once downloaded, just run the installer and follow the on-screen instruction. So it's easy to do the setup for Windows and Mac OS. And for Mac OS, just download the installer package and follow the standard installation. And after installation, you can verify it by opening terminal and typing nmap -- version. So I'll show you how you can download and set up it for Linux. Okay, so for Debian based system, just open your terminal and type the command sudo apt get install nmap. Okay, so type the command sudo apt get install nmap. This command will install the nmap. Okay, and after installation, verify that nmap is properly configured by running nmap. Okay, so this will show you the help page of it, or you can see by using nmap -- help. So that's going to show you the help page of nmap. Now let's perform a simple scan on a local network. So just type the command nmap -sp and the IP address of the network. Okay, /24. That's the subnet. Okay, so this command will ping all the devices in this specified IP range, and then it will list the ones that are up. So you can see it's showing that this host is up 192.168. So you can gather more information about this IP address. So in this lecture, we covered the installation and basic setup of Nmap across different operating systems. In the next session, we'll explore advanced scanning techniques and how to interpret Nmap results effectively. Thank you for watching.